I love spending time with you, even if we do nothing. No matter what, when I'm with you, everything just seems so much better.
No other relationship is more important than your marriage. You, as you step into a covenant before God and your closest and say, I do, you step into that, you are now in a covenant that transcends any other relationship on the planet. More than your family, you've started a new family. More than your kids. Some parents struggle with that. More than your kids, you are to be one with the person you're with. And this is a wild experiment. Think about this. God taking two free-thinking, autonomous individual people and throwing them together to be one person? That's wild. Right? In every way, socially, financially, geographically, physically, all these things coming into one. It's this wild thing. Like he's saying, like, out of all 7.8 billion options on the planet, I choose you. To fight with the most. And discourage the most. But also to love the most and forgive the most and cuddle with the most, like no one else on this planet. The oneness that they're looking for. This oneness is the point of what marriage is.
As much as I love my girl, I have things that I need to do, right? So there's different priorities at different times. And that's what most people haven't come to realize, is that even in a marriage, even in a long-term relationship, priorities change. If you're broke, cuddling and watching Netflix on the couch shouldn't be your priority. Why? Not because it's a bad thing to do, it's because it's not the right thing. And a good thing at the wrong time becomes bad. Yeah. So the goal is to understand how to shift priorities. If you're on a date and you're having a good time, don't be on your phone because it's just rude. Be fully there, be fully present. But when you're grinding and you're working, hey babe, not right now, we'll connect later.
Yeah, priorities work.
Yeah, and you establish communication. And you come to realize a lot of women are more level-headed and understanding than you would imagine. But you also have to go through that process of having that communication and having that relationship that's built on trust.
Yeah.
There's no sort of insecurity or no sort of doubt when I'm traveling, doing my thing.
Love or respect? What's more important in a relationship, in a marriage? Love has destroyed millions of marriages all over the world. Respect has never destroyed anything. So the simple answer is respect. Respect is more important. Respect is also a little harder. It's very easy to love someone who loves you. It's very easy to love someone who's lovable. There's nothing really intense or strong or stable about it, because love is an emotion. Emotions are fickle. Emotions need to be fickle. It's what gives them their excitement. How about now? You love me now? There's an excitement to love because it's unstable. If it becomes stable, it becomes boring. Unconditional love is not love at all. Unconditional love means my feelings never change. Then they're not feelings anymore. Respect is not an emotion. It can be stable. It can be consistent. It can be strong. And it can give the marriage the stability and the strength that it needs. Emotions are the flavor, the sizzle. It can't keep the relationship going. It can only spice up a healthy relationship. So the respect is the relationship. The love is the perk.
The most important thing you need to look for in a relationship is peace. The wrong person will find you in peace and leave you in pieces. And the right person, they will find you in pieces and lead you to peace.